Hello there. It is Tuesday, January 28. It is 8:24. I am Yvonne de Celis and this is YDC TV. I'm here to do a few energy healing exercises today. I'm kind of late with this just because Donna Eden, who was my first introduction into energy healing, I didn't get my licensing through her, but I bring her up constantly because I discovered energy healing through her. And again, that name is Donna Eden. Um, she is wonderful, and she, twice that I know of now, has done something called the 31-Day Eye Challenge, where she shows several different energy healing videos that you can do for your eyes. Not just for eyes, it's for things other than for vision, but it's very, very helpful, and she's gotten a lot of really good feedback from people. So I wanted to share the eye exercises with you. So I'm going to go through and do all of them. I'm actually referencing a document that I have on my Mac because I don't want to miss any of these. So I'm going to try to go through these as quickly as I can, but I just want to walk you through these different exercises. I really do hope you like this. I'm looking in the wrong direction too, trying to make eye contact here. Anyway, the very first thing you need to do is, oh, well, actually, before I go into the exercises, if I say Reiki breathing, that means in through the nose, out through the mouth if possible. If not, you can do nasal or oral, either way. The most important thing is when you breathe in, your tongue should be touching the roof of your mouth, up against your teeth. And when you breathe out, if you want, you can let your tongue drop. Lots of different reasons. Main ones are that it helps you avoid dry mouth and it helps you really concentrate on your breathing. It helps with focus, etc. But now I want to get to the exercises because there's a few different ones. So first one is tapping your K27 points. You can do a massage or tapping. And to get to your K27s, which stands for Kidney Meridian Position 27, you trace your collarbone from your back to the front where it almost meets, and then just bring your fingers down and out about an inch or so and feel around for two little soft spots. Most people have indents or soft spots or both, right at the base of the collarbone, right down at the front where it meets. That's where you want to either vigorously massage or tap. Doing this sends energy up to your eyeballs. So this is kind of like a warm-up for the rest of the exercises. So you just want to do this about 12, 13, 14 times or more, just whatever feels right. And then the next one is to rub your hands together. We're going to do this for a little while because you want to warm your hands up. We're going to be heating our eyeballs. And the reason you want to do this is to relax the eye muscles. So I guess this is another part of the warm-up, really. And you can have your eyeballs closed for this. This is called eyeball cupping. So get them warm and then put them over your eyes. You can have them practically touching. You can have them as close or as far by about 2 inches. I would say no more than 2 inches. You can have them a little bit away and you can have your eyes open or closed. You just should feel a little bit of heat coming off of your hands towards your eyes, and you just want to hold them there for a little while. Once again, just think of it as a warm up. So you don't have to do that for very long. The next one is the eyebrow pinch and pull. This isn't really comfortable. It doesn't hurt, but it's not comfortable. This is a useful exercise, though. It can help with keeping you from getting wrinkles, actually. So this is a good one to do if you want to avoid wrinkly skin, but it's just good for the skin in general, and it also makes space for healing energy to go to. So it also just encourages healing. But again, you just want to start at the center, pinch, and then pull out. It's not very comfortable. You don't want to do it to the point of pain, but I'd say to the point of discomfort. It's not a very comfortable exercise. But you just want to go to the outside edge and then you're done. Don't really like that one too much, but I know it's useful. It just doesn't feel great. The next one is, baby pinches. Okay, baby pinches is just index finger and thumb, just very light, and it should feel extremely light. It shouldn't hurt. Just little pinches on, basically, between the eyebrows and your eyelashes. You're just doing little pinches, very gentle. It should almost feel good, almost. Just all around in between the eyebrows and the lashes. Next one is eyebrow circles. So if you need to have a visual cue for it, you're basically just making circles with your eyes. Just trace them with your eyes. And again, if you need to have a visual, you can do that, or you can just do the circles on your own. This is another good one for eye muscles. I'm just going to do that for a little bit. To be honest, I'm not wild about the eye following ones. I don't often do those, but I probably should. The next one, here we go, is eyeball figure eight tracing for your eyes. There's a couple ones we're going to do, but the first thing you want to do is make a figure eight around your eyes. So trace it with your finger. You can touch your skin as you're doing this, or you can have your hand away from it. And you're just tracing a figure eight around your eyes here. Just do that a few times. And then this goes to the figure eight viewing. So again, like doing the circles, only this time we're following a figure eight. And again, you don't have to have a visual cue. You can do this on your own if you want. I actually kind of do prefer to watch something that's tracing an eight. But as with everything else when it comes to energy medicine, the exercises should really feel right. So use your judgment on this one. Okay, so that's it for the figure eight one. I guess the other reason I don't like the one where you're following the circles and the figure eights is it makes me a little dizzy. So I don't do those for as long. But those are other ones you can do if you like them. And this is actually one of my favorite ones. This is the very last one. You want to take your index finger and just stretch it across your eye. Keep your eye closed. Put your index finger across on top of it. And then just start tapping your index finger lightly. But just lightly go across your eye. Go back and forth. Just do it for a little while. One of the other energy medicine professionals did one of these eyebrow tapping challenges. It was pretty cool. Every day someone did this whole set of exercises, and it was someone different every day for the whole month. And I really liked what she said about this part. She said she kind of thinks of this as sending Morse code to her brain. And she gives herself little affirmations when she's doing this, telling herself, this is your cue to wake up. This is your cue to just wake up. When we're done doing this, our eyes are going to feel really good and we're going to feel alert and energized. And she said it out loud as she was doing it. I don't make my affirmations verbal. I kind of keep them as my inner monologue. I don't like to vocalize when I do things, but again, that's up to you. But that's the entire energy medicine set for the eyes. I really do hope you like that. I hope it was helpful. Let me know in the comments down below. As always, namaste, peace and light, and thank you so much for your time. If you like what you see, please smash that subscribe button. That'll just let you know when, I guess on occasion. If you just hit subscribe, it'll let you know on occasion when I make changes to my channel. If you want constant notifications, which I don't really recommend unless you don't mind being bothered constantly, you can hit the bell icon and that will give you constant notifications. Anyway, though, I do have to run, but I really hope that was helpful for you. Thanks again for your time. Be as well as possible. Take care, and I will be back again soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.